Hi. Are you going to say hi to your Tia? Hey. 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 You know your Tia is all the way in Turkey? Say hi. Say hi. Big smile. Say hi. Say hi. Big smile. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Hi. Yeah? How do you feel about her being in Turkey? It scares you? Hi. Say hi, Tia. Say hi. Yeah. Say hi. Make sharp face. Yeah, we caught you in a good mood today, huh? What do you have in your hand there? Oh, you grabbed the camera cable. What is it? What is it? It's a camera. You're playing with the camera cord. What? What? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Deco, deco, deco. Deco, deco, deco. Hi. Say hi. Hi. This is Amelia. She's about gonna be 7 weeks old tomorrow. She's holding her head up pretty well. Let's see if I can show you. So this is her sitting. And she can kind of hold her head up a little bit. A little bit. Well, when she's on her belly, she can hold her head up. That's pretty smart. It's pretty strong. It's good enough. And she's always chatting. She's always hungry. And she likes being outdoors. She gets bored indoors. And she loves to eat. It's her favorite thing to do is eat. Right? You like to eat? Tell them yes. Well, anyway, I think she's hungry now. So, I'm going to do an extreme close-up. And then I'm going to feed her. No teeth. No teeth. Goodbye. Hope to see you soon, Tia.